In this video, I'm going to take you from A to B in creating a fantastic looking website, and I'm going to give you a free domain to do it. And this is the beautiful website that you're going to be creating, and it's fresh, clean, it's fun, and it's really sophisticated. And you're going to have this website ready in one click, literally, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you how you can create this header with this beautiful image and this learn more button right here. I'm going to show you how to move these elements around, how to customize all this text, these colors, these images. I'm going to give you an unbelievable resource that you can go and get free images yourself, so you can use them on your new website. You're going to be able to have a testimonial right here and all of these beautiful sections to really show your website off. And don't be worried about this at all. This is so easy to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how to customize all of this. You're going to get an About Us page and a contact page right here. I'm going to show you how to do both of these. And this contact page as well, it has a contact form ready to go. Absolutely anyone can do this, and I am going to be here for you to show you exactly how to do that, and it's only going to take you 30 minutes. And to get you started, I'm also going to be giving you a completely free domain name. So all you have to do now is to start here by clicking this link. So let's click that link, and that is going to take you over to HostGator, and we've teamed up with HostGator. We've got you one of the best deals out there, and that is to get a free 1-year domain with HostGator, and also you can save up to 60% off your hosting, and it's just incredible. So let's now click on Get Started Now, and then you'll be on this page, and all you want to do is enter your domain name here, or your website's name there. So choose a website name and enter that in there. And then you can choose .com or .online, .site, .store, .website, text, space, anything that you want in there. And as you can see here, it's saying get a free 1-year domain registration on hosting plans. So now scroll down, and these are the hosting plans and the package type. So in the billing cycle, you probably want to go with a year. I usually go with a year because, one, it saves you the most. You get a whole 60% off. You also get your free domain name, and if you get hosting for a year, you're much more likely to succeed in doing this because you'll be motivated to get your website looking amazing. You can build your community, your subscribers, and it gives you the best amount of time to really get going with this. So I'm going to choose a whole year, and then the package type, you can choose hatchling or the baby plan. Just go with hatchling, that's absolutely fine. And then a username and a security pin. And then scroll down, and you want to enter your billing info just here. And then also make sure you enter a real email address, because you're going to receive a couple of emails from HostGator with your login info. So make sure that is an email that you can access. Then scroll down again, and you'll see you've got a few additional services. And we don't need these, so just untick those to save even more. Then scroll down again. You'll see Website Hero in there, and this should already be validated. Just make sure it is validated to get your free domain name and 60% off. And then when you're happy with everything, all you have to do is click here and then check out now, and you will be the proud owner of your own website name. You're now going to receive a couple of emails from HostGator, and you want this one, your account info. So open that, and you're going to see a few links, and the only one you want to click on is the cPanel link, which is this one. So click on that, and then that's going to take you over here to the control panel, HostGator's control panel.